Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Kayo ba ay nag-a-apply para sa reclassification to Teacher 6 at saka nakapag-apply na kayo? Siyempre ang sunod na gagawin ninyo ay ang inyong Inkoy portfolio. So ano ba yung mga MOVs na ilalagay ninyo? Yung nakikita nyo sa screen ay yan po yung mga indicators. So una ay yung objective na 1.2.2, no? Yung use research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning to enhance professional practice. So ano ba yung mga MOVs? Dati ay hindi ito Inkoy, ito ay Koy. Pero ngayon ngayong 2024-2025 naging Inkoy siya. Kaya ito na po yung mga MOVs na kailangan, ano? Una ay meron kang isa o dalawa sa mga ito, yung lesson plan at saka yung activity sheet, assessment materials and others. Pero kailangan merong annotation describing the use of research-based knowledge and principles of teaching and learning process. Pangalawang indicator ay itong participated in collegial discussion that use teacher and learner feedback to enrich teaching practices. So ano ba yung mga MOVs na kailangan? Una ay yung proof of attendance in LAC sessions, FGDs, meeting or other collegial discussions. So ito po yung mga ginagawa ni master teacher sa atin, di ba? Tapos kailangan din ng minutes of LAC session. Then yung reflection notes ng teacher of their demonstration of teaching practices following participation from the LAC sessions, FGD or meetings, or any equivalent else form document that highlights the objective. At siyempre, ikaw ay outstanding sa indicator na ito, dapat meron kang yung MOV3, ano? At least meron kanyang MOV3. At saka participated in collegial discussions that discuss teacher and learner feedback across 4 quarters. Sunod ay itong communicated promptly and clearly the learner's needs, progress, and achievement to key stakeholders, including parents or guardians. So ito po yung mga MOVs, ano? Pwedeng sample of corrected test paper of a learner in a learning area with parents or guardian signature and date of receipt. Minutes of meetings with key stakeholders like PTA, SGC, SPT, CPC with proof of attendance. At syempre yung report card with parents or guardian signature in all quarters supported by minutes of meeting. Another MOV is the communication with key stakeholders, parents, guardians, co-teachers, LGU using various modalities. At ito pang anecdotal record showing entries per quarter. Meron ding any equivalent else form document that highlights the objective and others. Ito, sunod na indicator ay ang yung utilized assessment data to inform the modification of teaching and learning practices and programs. So ito po yung mga MOVs na kailangan. So a list of identified list or most mastered skills based on the frequency of errors. Correct responses with any of the following supporting MOVs. Accomplishment report for remedial enhancement activities or remedial sessions, summer reading camp, Pell area reading program. Then ito pang intervention of material used for remediation, reinforcement, or enhancement. So para meron ka nito ay dapat implemented a teaching and learning strategy program using materials based on learners assessment data as indicated by a list of identified list or most mastered skills with supporting MOVs. Pang-tatlong pwedeng MOV sa indicator na ito na 5.5.2 ay yung lesson plan or activity log for remediation or enhancement utilizing the assessment data to modify teaching and learning practices or programs. So ito po ay dapat across 4 quarters. At ito yung objective na ito na develop a personal improvement plan based on reflection of one's practice and ongoing professional learning. So yung MOVs dito ay yung certification from the ICT coordinator or school head or focal person in charge of the ESAT. Tapos yung IPCRF DP, yung mid-year review form at saka yung updated IPCRF DP from phase 2. Siyempre, yung may outstanding ka nito kung meron ka nitong updated professional development goals during phase 2 of our PMS cycle as evidenced by MOV number 4 at saka submitted for acceptable MOVs. At for timeliness ay meron kang 4 submitted MOVs were accomplished within the prescribed RPMS phase. So yun lang po mga ka-GESNABs. Thank you for having me. Good luck po sa inyong reclassification application.